Welcome back, seniors. This is our 60-day fitness series for adults over 60. Today is day 33, and together we're doing 3 easy daily leg exercises to strengthen your mobility. If you're new here, you can still join us. Just grab your chair and let's begin. Exercise 1. Sit to stand 50 repetitions. Let us begin with our first exercise of the day, the sit to stand. This movement is one of the most powerful and important exercises for seniors because it strengthens your thighs, hips, and lower back, helping you stay mobile, stable, and confident in your daily life. Before we start, place your sturdy chair on a completely flat surface. Sit down comfortably with your feet shoulder-width apart, your back straight, and your hands either crossed on your chest or resting lightly on your thighs. Take a deep breath in. Relax your shoulders and prepare your body for slow, controlled movement. Now we will stand up and sit down together, just like I am in front of you, guiding you step by step. As we begin the repetitions, I want you to move at a steady and comfortable pace. When you stand up, press your feet into the ground and lift with your legs, not with your back. When you sit down, lower yourself gently and with control. Let us start counting together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Keep your back straight. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Great job staying with me. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Keep breathing. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Wonderful effort. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Keep moving. 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, almost there. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. Stay strong. 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Take a slow breath in and out. How are you feeling so far? You are doing an excellent job, and I am proud of your consistency. Keep your feet planted, and if you need a moment to relax your legs, take it before we continue. Remember, repeating this movement daily helps you walk better, sit and stand with ease, and feel stronger overall. Continue gentle up and down motions for a few more minutes at your own pace, while keeping your posture tall and your breathing steady. This daily routine will continue to build your strength day after day, and I am right here guiding you through every repetition. Exercise 2. Seated leg extensions, 50 repetitions each leg. Now let us move to our second exercise for today, the seated leg extension. This exercise strengthens the muscles in the front of your thighs, improves knee stability, and helps you walk with more balance and confidence. Sit comfortably on your chair with your back straight, your feet flat on the ground, and your hands resting lightly on the sides of the chair. Take a deep breath in and relax your shoulders. We will lift one leg at a time, stretch it forward, hold it for a moment, and slowly bring it back down. Remember, slow and controlled movement gives you the best results and keeps your joints safe. Let us begin with your right leg. Lift your right foot off the floor and extend it forward until your knee is straight, but do not lock the joint. Move with me as we count each repetition. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Keep your posture tall. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, great work. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, keep breathing. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, almost there. 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, wonderful. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, stay strong. 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Wonderful. You are doing amazing so far. Tell me in the comments from which country you are watching this video today. I love seeing seniors from all around the world joining this daily series. If you have a moment, please share this video with other seniors in your family or your community so they can gain strength and confidence along with you. Keep breathing and stay focused as we prepare for our next exercise. Exercise 3, standing march in place, 50 repetitions. For our third and final exercise of the day, we will perform the standing march in place. This movement is excellent for improving balance, coordination, hip mobility, and overall leg strength. Please stand behind your chair and hold the backrest lightly with both hands for support. Keep your posture tall, your shoulders relaxed, and your feet hip-width apart. We will lift one knee at a time, marching slowly and steadily while keeping our core engaged. This exercise also helps improve circulation and warms up the lower body, making your legs feel lighter and more active. Let us begin marching together. Lift your right knee, then your left knee at a comfortable pace. I will count each repetition, and each lift of both knees will count as 1. Move with me now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Keep your body upright and breathe. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Great rhythm. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, wonderful pace, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, stay steady, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Excellent work. 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, almost to the finish. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. Last push. 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. You have done an amazing job completing all 50 repetitions. Take slow, deep breaths in and out while keeping one hand on your chair for support. Allow your legs to relax. You should feel warmth in your hips, thighs, and lower legs, which shows that your muscles are waking up, getting stronger, and becoming more flexible. This daily movement helps you walk more confidently, stand for longer periods, and move around your home with greater ease. Before we continue, please write in the comments how you are feeling after finishing this exercise. I love reading your experiences, and it motivates other seniors to keep going. Your participation makes this community stronger. Also, remember to share this video with 5 to 7 of your fellow senior friends so that they too can join our journey toward better strength and better mobility. You have completed day 33 with excellent effort. Keep this momentum going and make sure to come back tomorrow for day 34, where we will continue building your strength one day at a time. I will be right here guiding you step by step.